Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and I am a stay-at-home mommy of 3, and this is my quick clean with me family room routine. I usually just start picking up toys, especially my baby's toys. I have a little boy, so he gets into everything. And I usually just throw it in a toy bucket that we have in the playroom up in the front of the house. So I have a crawling baby, and he constantly gets into everything. He gets his sticky fingers all over the glass and the entertainment center, so I have to wipe it down at least twice a week. And I'm using Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. For this one, I'm actually using the peppermint oil one, which is a limited edition seasonal scent. So I'm also using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner as well, and that one is also in mint and it smells great. So after I'm done picking up all the toys and wiping down the entertainment center and TV, I usually start vacuuming. I do get a lot of comments about having a white rug with 3 kids and 2 dogs, but honestly this rug holds up really well and it's super comfy. So this is basically self-explanatory. I have 2 dogs and they are super hairy, so they get hair everywhere, especially on my couch. And I usually do like a 10-minute vacuum routine to get all the dog hair out, or it'll get on all our clothes. I kid you not. And then I do a final spritz of the Caldrea Sea Salt and Room Linen spray, and that smells amazing. It like not only does it make the couch smell really good, but it makes the whole room smell really good. So I highly recommend that. And since I did have time to vacuum my dining room, I just did so. And my husband went home just in time to help me with the bench. And that is my video. If you like what you see, subscribe, and I'll see you guys real soon.